Work on the Red River structure is about 3/4 complete after numerous portions were tackled by the contractor recently. I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager for the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with those and other construction highlights for the month. Numerous crossings over the stormwater diversion channel are at various stages of construction. At County Road 14, just west of Horace, North Dakota, bridge girders were installed atop the completed bridge abutments and piers this last month. For all bridges to be built as part of the stormwater diversion channel, more than 500 girders are necessary, of which nearly half have been installed to date. On I-94 west of West Fargo, drivers will notice lane closures have resumed as work on this site picks back up for the season. With the concrete substructure elements completed and girders installed last fall for both the east and westbound bridges, ASN is resuming its work installing falsework and decking in preparation for concrete placement in the coming months. "19 bridges will eventually span the 30-mile channel, where ASN Constructors has been excavating in reaches 12 and 13. Once the remaining frost is out of the ground, levee construction is anticipated to resume. In Reach 1 of the channel, work is now underway for the first of 12 overhead power utilities to be relocated as part of the stormwater diversion channel. Crews are installing steel poles for the Minn Kota power transmission line, where it will cross the channel near the combined crossing for County Roads 4 and 31. As we move south to the Cheyenne River Aqueduct, we see the last large concrete placement for the aqueduct's flume and conduit base. ASN Constructors is also driving piling and placing concrete on the wing wall footings, and they've begun placing formwork and concrete at several of the flume's abutments and piers as well. The last stop on our drone tour this month is the massive Red River structure. Ames Construction, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers contractor, has been working on many portions of the structure. They recently placed close to 1,500 cubic yards of concrete for a large portion of the structure's upstream approach apron. Concrete work continues at the structure's adjacent floodwalls as well. East of the structure, we can see footings and piers underway, and west of the structure, crews recently placed a portion of the floodwall bridge deck. You can stay up to date on construction progress and more by subscribing to the Diversion Current.